Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Cheryl Flores, happily married, having one son, 21 years old. My hobbies is watching TV, playing chess, and cooking. My educational as attainment, college. During pandemic, I'm working a housemaid 2020 to 2023 with a couple named Reynalyn Bautista and Icon Bautista. They having 3 kids. The eldest is 16 years old, the middle is 8, and the youngest is 3. Sometimes I'm singing lullabies to the 3 years old kid. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. My duties and responsibilities is to take care of the kids, cleaning the house, and also marketing. To my future employee, please select me because I'm trustworthy and easy to learn new skills and adapt to new environment. See you soon. Thank you.